How to start selling apps on Amazon.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start selling apps on Amazon.com and make money easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Amazon.com and log into your account. After your login, you should go down and go to the options here down below and choose this option right here, sell apps on Amazon. Now click on it and it will take you to this page right here. Now here on this page you can contact them and become an app seller on Amazon easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.